Level up your stream. Why overlays matter. Overlays are not just decorative elements, they are essential tools that can transform your streaming experience. Overlays are key for a professional-looking stream. They add a layer of sophistication and polish that can set you apart from the crowd. They make your content more visually appealing. With vibrant graphics and animations, overlays can captivate your audience and keep them engaged. Overlays help brand your stream with your own personal style. Custom overlays can reflect your unique personality and theme, making your stream instantly recognizable. They provide information to viewers, like stream status and social media. This helps keep your audience informed and connected with you across different platforms. A good overlay can make a big difference. It can elevate the overall quality of your stream, making it more enjoyable for viewers. Imagine watching a stream with no overlays. It would feel empty and less engaging. It would look very basic. Without overlays, your stream might lack the visual appeal that keeps viewers coming back. Now imagine that same stream with custom animations. Suddenly it's more interesting. Overlays grab viewer attention and make your content more dynamic. They make your content stand out. Unique overlays can highlight important aspects of your stream, drawing attention to key moments. Think about your favorite streamers. What makes their streams memorable? Often it's the creative use of overlays. I bet they use overlays to make their streams unique. Overlays are a powerful tool to enhance your streaming experience and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Diving into After Effects, your design hub. This powerful software is a favorite among designers and video editors for creating stunning motion graphics and visual effects. Adobe After Effects is the go-to software for motion graphics. Its robust features and tools allow you to bring your creative visions to life with precision and flair. It might seem intimidating at first, but it's manageable. With a bit of practice and patience, you'll find yourself navigating through its interface with ease. You can find tons of tutorials online. These resources are invaluable for learning new techniques and getting tips from experienced users. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you go. The more you play around with the tools, the more comfortable you'll become. Start by creating a new composition. This is your workspace where all the magic happens. Think of it as your blank canvas. Set the resolution and frame rate to match your stream. This ensures that your final product looks crisp and professional. Import images or videos for your overlay elements. These assets will be the building blocks of your design. Think about things like webcam borders, alert boxes, and lower thirds. These elements add a polished look to your stream and enhance viewer engagement. These are all elements you can create. With After Effects, the possibilities are endless, so dive in, explore, and let your creativity flow. Stock media magic finding and importing assets. In this chapter, we'll guide you through the process of discovering and bringing in the perfect assets for your projects. You don't need to be a graphic designer to have awesome overlays. With the right resources, anyone can create stunning visuals that enhance their content. Many websites offer free or paid stock media. These platforms provide a vast array of options, from images and videos to audio and templates. Websites like Envato, Elements, and Motion Array have tons of options. They are treasure troves for creators looking to elevate their projects with high-quality assets. Search for elements that fit your brand. Use specific keywords to narrow down your search and find exactly what you need. Look for things like transitions, backgrounds, and sound effects. These elements can add a professional touch to your videos and presentations. Once you've found what you need, download the files. Make sure to save them in an organized manner for easy access later. Import them into your After Effects project. This step is crucial for integrating the new assets seamlessly into your work. Remember to check the licensing agreements. Understanding the terms of use is essential to avoid any legal issues. Make sure you're using the assets legally. Always respect the creator's rights and adhere to the licensing terms to ensure your project remains compliant. Section 4. Bringing overlays to life. Keyframes and masking. Keyframes are the backbone of animation in After Effects. They let you change an object's properties over time. Want an alert box to slide in? Use keyframes. Experiment with different keyframe interpolations. Masking helps you hide parts of a layer. This is useful for creating shapes and cutouts. You can use masks to make complex animations with simple shapes. Practice combining masks and keyframes. This will help you create more dynamic overlays. Section 5. Engaging your audience. Tips for dynamic overlays. Keep your overlays clean and uncluttered. Avoid overwhelming viewers with too much movement. Use subtle animations to draw attention to important elements. Think about your brand. What kind of vibe do you want to create? Use colors and animations that reflect your style. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Test different overlays and see what resonates with your audience. Section 6. The final touch enhancing viewer experience. Animated overlays elevate your stream's production value. They create a more professional and engaging experience. Viewers are more likely to stick around when your stream is visually appealing. Think about your overlays as part of your brand. They should be unique and memorable. Keep refining your overlays over time. As your channel grows, so should your overlay game.